Military aviation pushes machines and pilots to their limits. Every maneuver, every takeoff, every split-second decision carries risk. And when something goes wrong, the consequences can be sudden and devastating. In this video, we'll revisit 5 real military aircraft accidents, each captured on camera and confirmed by official records. From an Italian Typhoon plunging into the sea during an airshow, to a Libyan MiG-21 crashing into a city, to the split-second ejection that saved a Yak-38 test pilot. These are moments when skill, technology, and fate collided in the skies. No speculation, no myths, only the documented truth about what really happened. September 24th, 2017. The coast of Terracina, Italy. Thousands of spectators gathered along the seafront to witness an Italian Air Force display. Among the performers was a Eurofighter Typhoon from the Reparto Sperimentale Volo, the service's test and display unit. During a vertical loop, the aircraft failed to regain altitude. Instead of climbing out, it continued descending toward the water. Video footage shows the jet with landing gear down, nose low, speed dropping rapidly. Seconds later, it struck the sea, just a few hundred meters from the shoreline, sending a massive column of spray into the air. The pilot, Captain Gabriele Orlandi, 36, was killed in the crash. The show was immediately halted. In the months that followed, prosecutors in Latina reviewed flight data and witness statements. Their conclusion? No evidence of mechanical failure. In 2018, the case was closed, citing probable pilot error during the maneuver, performed at an altitude too low to allow recovery. These are the confirmed facts. No speculation, only the official record of the Terracina accident. September 2nd, 2014. Tobruk, Libya. In the heat of the afternoon, the sound of a Libyan Air Force MiG-21 echoes over the city. The fighter is part of a camera flyover, honoring a fellow pilot, killed just days earlier. Footage shot from a nearby rooftop shows the jet making a low pass over the city, banking sharply. Moments later, it drops in altitude, passes low over the camera, then descends again, this time too far to recover. The MiG-21 strikes a residential area, erupting in a massive fireball and sending thick smoke into the sky. The pilot, Captain Rafa Al-Farani, is killed instantly. On the ground, at least 2 people, including a child, also lose their lives, and 9 more are injured. No official investigation report was ever released. Local military sources cited either a technical failure or a misjudged maneuver as possible causes. What remains certain is that the memorial flight ended in tragedy for both the pilot and the people below. February 16, 2010. Hashimara Air Base, West Bengal, India. 2 MiG-27 fighter bombers of the Indian Air Force's Tu-22 Squadron Tiger Sharks line up for a paired takeoff. As the lead aircraft lifts from the runway, the second follows, but something goes wrong. Flames burst from its engine almost immediately after liftoff. The jet climbs only a short distance before losing altitude. Moments later, it crashes within the perimeter of the base, erupting in a fireball and sending a thick column of black smoke into the air. The pilot, Wing Commander Oswald de Abreu, is killed in the impact. There are no reports of casualties on the ground. According to official statements from the Indian Air Force, a technical failure in the engine caused the accident. The full investigation report was not released to the public, but the tragedy remains one of the most widely seen IAF crash videos, often misidentified online as a MiG-21 accident. July 24th, 1993. RIAT Fairford, United Kingdom. The Royal International Air Tattoo is in full swing, with tens of thousands of spectators gathered for one of the world's largest air shows. 2 Russian MiG-29 Fulcrums of the Strigi aerobatic team take to the skies, performing close formation maneuvers. As the jets cross paths in a dynamic turn, one pilot loses visual contact. In a split second, the two aircraft collide. Both are badly damaged and begin to tumble. Within moments, each pilot ejects. Their K-36DM ejection seats perform flawlessly, saving their lives despite the low altitude and speed. The damaged jets crash within the airfield's boundaries. No one on the ground is seriously hurt, though the crowd is visibly shaken. An investigation by British and Russian authorities later concluded that the accident was caused by pilot error, a misjudged maneuver during the display. The incident remains one of the most dramatic mid-air collisions ever caught on camera at an airshow. April 4th, 1975, Soviet Union. One of the very first prototypes of the Yakovlev Yak-38, the Soviet Navy's vertical takeoff and landing strike fighter, rises from the pad during a test flight. Intended for the new Kiev-class aircraft-carrying cruisers, the Yak-38 is still in the earliest stage of development. Moments into the flight, while operating in vertical mode, the main engine fails. At such low altitude, a human pilot would have no time to react. But this prototype is equipped with an experimental automatic ejection system, linked to the aircraft's attitude sensors and barometric altimeter. The system detects the sudden loss of thrust and the onset of an unrecoverable descent. In less than a second, it triggers the K-36VM ejection seat. The pilot is blasted clear of the falling aircraft and descends safely under his parachute. Below, the Yak crashes and is destroyed. The cause, recorded in program documentation, is a mechanical failure of the main power plant. This incident became one of the first real-world demonstrations of the Yak-38's unique automatic ejection technology, proof that at least this time, it could save a pilot's life exactly as designed. These 5 incidents show the razor-thin margin between a flawless flight and disaster. For the pilots, crews, and spectators, each moment unfolded in seconds, but the lessons learned have shaped training, safety systems, and aircraft design for years to come. From tragic losses to miraculous escapes, they remind us that behind every aircraft is a human story, one of courage, skill, and sometimes sacrifice. If you want to see more true, fact-checked accounts of military aviation, make sure to subscribe and join us for the next story from the skies.